Jai Gurudev. In our previous video, we have seen determiners. So what is determiners? Determiner is a word that comes before noun to indicate which thing we are referring to. Kinds of determiners: articles, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, interrogative, numerals and distributive. In first video, we seen articles. Articles, it has two kinds, that definite articles, indefinite articles. So definite articles, the, and indefinite articles, a and am. So this is a pen, that is a pen. These are books, those are books. Wondering what I am talking about? I know you are grown up, but these four words, these, that, these, those, are very basic in English conversation. Do you know what are these words called? These words called as demonstrative. Why? Because with the help of these words, we can demonstrate or show something. What I am going to teach here? Demonstrative determiners. What is demonstrative determiners? Demonstratives are used to show or demonstrate an object or a person. Four words that fall under demonstratives are this, that, these, those. This is a tree, that is a tree. These are cars, those are cars. So what is different here? This, it is referred to near, that it is referred to far. These is referred to plural form, but it is near, and those it refers to plural but far. Now use of these. Express nearness for singular noun. We use these when we are talking about something that is very near. Now we can see this for either things or for people or person. Example: Radha, this is my sister Rekha. This. So when I am using this, I am telling that person is near me. So when I am using the demonstrative this, it is not just a person or thing near me. It is also for singular noun. These express nearness for plural nouns. Example: aren't these flowers beautiful? When we see these words, what does it tells us? That we are talking about plural nouns. This word, it shows plural nouns. So these is used for plural things which are near us. Therefore, there is only one difference between this and this. This is used for singular noun and this is used for plural noun. Second sentence: these shirts belong to my younger brother. These shirts, these. It is plural form of these. That express farness for singular noun. That is referred to people or things which are far from us. Can you see that house? Yes. That is my house over there. So now the word that is generally used for singular noun. So the only single difference between this and that is this is used for things near me and that is used things far from me. That is your book. Book is far from me. Those express farness for plural noun. If that is used for singular noun, then those is used for plural noun. The concept is the same again. Those is used for plural noun which are far away from us. Look at this example. Which of those would you like out of those? Would you blow out those candles? Those. it is also far away from me, but thing is plural. Here singular. So that used for singular and those used for plural, but farness. Now, after this quick difference between these, that, these, those, let's have a look at where these demonstrative can be used. Usage of demonstratives to avoid repetition. My bag is better than that of my friend. Now, what I am doing here? I am comparing my bag with my friend's bag. So, look at this sentence again. My bag is the noun that I am referring to. Is better than that of my friend. So, here that means the bag of my friend. Now, instead of repeating the noun again, I have just used the word that. So, what is it doing? It is avoiding the repetition of noun. I have red dress. I wore that dress for the party. Red dress, it is noun, and I wore that for the party. So that it is used for red dress. So avoiding to repetition of the noun used here that. Second, referring to noun used previously. When we are talking about two things in a sentence, then this refer to the last thing and that refers to the earlier thing. Both fruits and milk are good for health. So this is better than that. So that is used for first thing, earlier thing, and this is used for second thing. A pronoun or an adjective. Sometimes the demonstrative can work as a pronoun or as an adjective. If the demonstrative is used before the noun, then it works as an adjective. Look at these examples. This is my book. So, this is acting like a pronoun. This book is interesting. Now, if you look at this sentence closely, so after this, we have noun here. So, now demonstrative is coming before a noun, so it will act as an adjective. Rack your brain. Miss, I am sorry to say it, but coffee, fill in the blanks coffee, you have just served me is tepid. So what is the answer here? Answer is this. Remember, this refers to singular noun. It is near to the speaker. Here, coffee is meant to be a cup of coffee, and for that it is singular and we use this. Second, do you see men playing in the field over there? So what is the answer? Men. It is plural form. The answer is those. Those refers to plural noun and that far from the speaker. And for that it is those. They were sitting on bench in the far corner of public garden. Bench, it is singular form, and far, and for that answer is that. Singular but far away. Here are the guitars I am taking for my holiday. Taking for my holiday. I think fill in the blanks guitars will keep me engaged during these holidays. So what is the answer? Answer is these guitars. Why these? Because it is plural form and it is near to the speaker. So what is your homework? Whatever rules you are finding, everything you have to write in copy, learn it. We will see in next video another topic. Jai Gurudev.